All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at Booleans in Java. So let's start off, what is a Boolean? So a Boolean is, wow, that sun is very bright. That's fine. A Boolean is your basic true or false. All right, very simple. So true, false, yes, no. I should also note that it is lowercase. So false and true, they are lowercase. So let's show you how this works. So let's create our first Boolean. So we use the keyword Boolean. And we're going to call this bool1, and we're going to set it to equal true. And we're going to create another Boolean. We'll call it Boolean, and we'll go bool2, and we'll set it to equal false. All right, and let's do this. Let's do system.out.print, println, and we're going to print bool1. All right, do that. Let's copy and paste it because I'm lazy and I don't want to retype it. Bool2. Go ahead and let's compile it. And when we print, I get true and I get false. So I get my Booleans. So Booleans are great. These are kind of, there's a lot of different ways you can use these. So let's do this. All right, so what is the best way I can show you this? So let's do this. So we're gonna create some integers. We're gonna create integer x, we'll set it to equal 10, and we're gonna create integer y, and we'll set it to equal 5, okay? And what we're going to do, I'm going to go system.out.println x is greater than, so we use the greater than sign here, greater than y. Close that up. Let's compile and, oh, what are you doing here? And run it. And I get true. Why? Because x is greater than 10. 10 is bigger than 5. And if I were to change this to less than, let's compile this again and run it, I should get false. Why? Because x is not greater than 10. 10 is not greater than y. And we can also push it a little more. So does x equal y? Let's compile this, run it, and I get false. Why? Because it's not true. X does not equal y. And if I were to do something that does not equal y, let's do this. Run that again. I get it. What do I get? I get true. Why? Because x does not equal y.